Chief Executive Officer, and what our promise we have for the students, I think is very clear. For the scholars who are going to attain A- and above, they are going to be, given a direct internship. And this is an internship that given support them as they're waiting to go to university. It's a 6-month internship, paid internship, and in the session you've seen some of them coming to confirm about that internship that is happening. So from us, we are saying that any student who attains A- and above is that internship and more.
Here for this program, Elimu scholarship and weeks to fly. And first one to thank the Equity Bank for sponsoring these children who are vulnerable. It is an opportunity that they have gotten that they may go through the education system without disruptions. We are here just to encourage them that once you have gotten this opportunity, you better utilize it well, because an opportunity comes once, and once it is caused without being utilized well, then you will regret. We are only here to encourage them so that as they go through the education system, they achieve what is their goal that they intended to be.
County Director of Education is county to give their thesis school for the 15th Congress of Equity Wings to Fly scholars. The students have been taken through various topics: academic excellence, transformative leadership, gender sensitization, and then of course acquiring value so that they can be better citizens in the future. In total, we have about 1,667 from 6 counties: Homa Bay, Migori, Kisii, Nyamira, Bomet, and Narok. So we hope that these students, once they go through education, they will be useful in this country. And we thank the Group Foundation for giving them a chance to study, and the government of Kenya and the other partners for the scholarship.
This is all the whole students we want to extend our gratitude with the scholarship. So suppose the various students and institutions, as a principal, we are really glad because times the school is great and I want to promise as a major stakeholder because they are in our hands for 4 years. What it takes to make sure that they are going through our school system successfully. Now they are coming from a number of them different families. We want to look forward and target the team, and we are always ready to partner with them going forward. As we have a school at most of the 6 counties. God bless the government for the endeavors as well the number of families.
Pamoja na James wangu popote alipo kwa kutumia fursa hii ya kuweza kuja na kujua mengi katika shule ya sasa.
Responsible citizens of this country. I want to take this opportunity to thank our manager, CEO of Equity Bank.
A scholar right now at Keroka branch. I would like to take this opportunity to thank God first, because His down was enabled us. He has been the wind beneath our wings, the wings that we have provided the Equity Group Foundation, and reaching this far, it has been God. And we thank you so much, Dr. James Mondo, wherever you are, for the good deeds that you've done for us and everything that you keep on providing for us. May God bless you so much.
Towards supporting the gospel to the global universities to just enhance the education. The ones who are going to attain D+ and below, they are also having they can get into universities in TVETs, and with that you can still have as opportunity with them to train them and to mentor them in those particular organizations as they achieve, as they work towards achieving. As EPT, as you can see, the Ministry of Management, we have support from this region, but we have support from other regions and ones that we talked about 19 sessions. One of them is actually in those areas that we're discussing. So, as Equity Bank, we're supporting all the regions to make sure